In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the copy and paste features in Microsoft Excel. If you're not completely familiar with Microsoft products, or it's been a while since you've used them, you may have forgotten some of these features that are available to you. And there's even more available in Excel than there are in Word and PowerPoint. So first of all, let me show you how to open the Clipboard dialog box launcher using the little arrow inside a little square at the bottom of your group on your ribbon. Go to the Clipboard group, click on the dialog box launcher. You will open the pane, the Clipboard pane to the left. This is a list. This is everything that you have copied will appear here. The things at the top are the things that you most recently copied. So first of all, let's select A1 through E22. And we're going to delete those. And the next thing we're going to do is go to H11 through I22. So we're going to select this group of data down here that we had copied and pasted earlier or moved. And we're going to simply click the copy button, and you'll see a little moving outline, dotted outline around the data that you copied. You'll also see it listed in our clipboard group or clipboard pane. Put your cursor in A1 and go up here and click on the paste button. I want you to click on the clipboard, not the word paste, but on the clipboard itself, and it will paste it exactly like you copied it. Go down to A20, and I want you to click the paste down arrow this time, and you'll see that you have multiple choices. You have paste, paste values, and other paste options. I want you to go, just as an example, you can actually hover over these different things and it'll show you what it's going to paste and how it's going to look. But go to the paste values group in the middle, click on values, and if you notice, if you're hovered over there, you'll notice that your price, the way your formatting of the cells did not follow. So you don't have any dollar signs, you don't have any commas. The price at the top is to the left. So you'll see that you can click on it. You'll see that down here, it doesn't quite match this. The numbers match, the names match, but the formatting does not match. We can click undo, get rid of that. Let's go Control plus Home. So select Control plus the Home key on your keyboard, and we'll get you to the top. And to get rid of this moving line going around what you have copied, that's actively being copied, you may hit the Escape key, and it'll make that disappear. And you can close the clipboard group or clipboard pane. You don't always need that open. It just gives you more details. And that's how you copy and paste.